Hello YouTube, Dion from Natec with the unboxing of this wireless mouse by Natec, the Robin. And if you remember, this is the wireless version of the Drake mouse that we've checked in the past, and it was a really great budget purchase. Now we can check the product specification here on the box. It's great, I guess, for the price, like its predecessor. You can see here we have to do with a 6-button mouse. That is an optical mouse, of course. And overall, I am supposing that build quality will be the same as the Drake one, because Natec has this standard build quality that you can find on all their products. So I'm supposing this one will be the same with this variant of the mouse, and no exception there. You can check it on their website, and in fact you can check more interesting products there by Natec. Now again, I guess this is the same size and the same form of the latest mouse we've checked, so let's open the box and check closely the shape and what this mouse is all about. But first we'll need a knife to open this seal here. You can open it better like that. Okay, so let's open it up and check the mouse itself that comes in this package. Okay, here we have it. This is the mouse we've purchased. There's nothing else in the box except from a manual. Okay, it essentially has all the product details you'll need to read, and how to insert a USB stick in a USB drive to connect the device. That's really helpful if you're not knowing this already. And it has it in various languages, which is always helpful. You can check all the specs here. Again, the Natec Zone website, you can check it there. Well, that was the manual. And what else? One battery is included. That's great. I always like when the battery is included with a device. And now let's check the mouse itself and how it resembles to the Drake mouse. You can just open the battery and insert it just to see how it works. Now I know that lifespan is really important. It seems like a decent one, but you can always use rechargeable ones. Now Robin seems like, well, a cheap plastic body mouse with a rubberized surface on top, nice keys and scroll wheel, 2 side buttons and nothing on the other side. On top we have one DPI key and another on a scroll wheel. That's great. A Natec logo there, and texture is really soft. That gives it a better grip. This is a nitrohated material. Now at the bottom we have 4 gliding feet, an on-off switch to power on and off the device. And this is the optical sensor, and here we have the same like the front, sliding feet on the back. This is the battery compartment. We can just open it like that. Here hides the USB dongle adapter for wireless connection with your PC. Well, for the time being we can just put it back like that. Now we can just insert the battery here. Okay, should be inserted correctly like that. We can close the lid and let's turn on, and the mouse is on. You can see it cycling to find the wireless connection here with this red and green LED. This is really nice, and I feel like this has even better grip than the Drake one. For the asking price, this is totally worth it. So this was the unboxing of the Natec Robin, a great selection for a wireless mouse. Feel free to subscribe, leave us a like, and as always from Natec Tech, thank you for watching.